When we are born into this world, our parents give the best possible name that they can find to us and named us. And it gets into our birth certificates. Thereafter, we identify that name. But in the process of our life, we get into various stages and ages and positions and places. And sometimes we forget the name. And as I said yesterday, sometimes we are more thinking about our position, a professional position. If you are a lawyer, judge, the banker, the businessman, we are trying to identify more than our name with our profession. And when we are retired, sometimes we are lost. And then we say we retired so and so. But the name that you and I have received, probably from our parents, has got into us with so much of love and care. Sometimes we don't even try to find the meaning of that name. If you look at a name like Mahatma Gandhi, he was a lawyer by profession, but not many people realize and recognize him as a lawyer. But he recognized as Mahatma Gandhi because he lived his name. He demonstrated the kind of brand and showcased his name based on that. World over, the people identify with various brand names. Nelson Mandela, prisoner for 40 years, but he demonstrated as an individual based on his name what he can showcase. The Bill Gates, Stephen Jobs, these are names. And you don't look at their professions, but sometimes they become brands. The brand like Toyota is the name of a man. The Honda is the name of a man. And sometimes we forget that the value of our name. Not only trying to find out the meaning of the name, sometimes many of us in the South Indian, South Asian area have a lot of Sanskrit names. In fact, my name Chandula is a Sanskrit name, giving so much of meanings. But it's very important that we forget about our profession, because the profession is useful for a certain period of time. But if you build up certain character and attributes and value, and based on that, your deeds and your words begin to really recognize by the people, you have been identified by not by your profession, but by your name. Today, we have people like Mahatma Gandhi's name is spoken over and over again, not because of his profession as a lawyer, but the kind of things that he did as a person, the attributes connected to his name. The brand building is an important task. The build a brand is not easy. And I've been in that area in my professional career. But the brand building has to have value. First, you have to create a value for yourself. And then you need to transfer that value to people around you. And when you begin to transfer that value to people around you, the value that you have created based on your attributes and character and the nature and the things you do in deeds and words. And when you begin to transfer that value, what will surface is your name. People will remember you. People will recognize you. People will get inspired by you. Ladies and gentlemen, time to build your brand and make sure that brand impact the society and people around you all the time.